Now, the script in front of me, it aptly says that this recipe is going to warm both your kitchen and the hearts of everyone gathering at the dinner table, which I'm sure it may. I just turn around and I go, October's going to be cold. Who doesn't like chicken and corn soup? Howard's in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen.
No matter how many soup recipes we share with you, we always get requests for more. So now with the kids back in school and the weather starting to cool down, we're sharing a brand new soup recipe that'll keep you warm and your belly full all season long. After melting some butter in a soup pot, we saute some onion and carrot to give them a nutty flavor. Next, we add a good amount of chicken broth, along with some potatoes that we've peeled and diced. Yes, this is going to be really hearty. After this cooks for a bit and the potatoes are fork tender, we add in some canned cream-style corn, a package of frozen chopped spinach, some shredded cooked chicken, and a pinch or so of ground black pepper. Once the soup is heated through and all the flavors come together, it's ready to satisfy any appetite. I mean, who can resist a creamy soup studded with corn, spinach, potatoes, and lots of tender chicken? Not me. And don't forget to set out some bread for Duncan. That's the best part. The recipe for a hearty chicken and corn soup is waiting for you online so you can enjoy it as soon as tonight. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a super comforting way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.
Find this recipe along with a lot more good food from the Mr. Food Test Kitchen online. All you have to do is go to KOMNewsNow.com.